Alright, so today we're going to change the filter out. Okay, we've already lifted that off. We pulled the sensors, that sensor out for the MAF sensor. We're going to clean that today. We're going to clean the throttle body over here. So we got to get these two off to get this whole assembly off. This has to click off. I've already pulled the filter out. Kind of look in there. All right, so this is the filter you get from like Take 5 or something. Still in good shape, but we're gonna upgrade to what's called a K&N, lifetime high flow. So it's supposed to be a lifetime filter, and it's got oil. It's supposed to be a more high performance breather. So we're gonna go ahead and get that going. Yeah, that's that. Looks pretty nice. All right, so we'll put that in a minute. First, we're gonna get this all apart and clean everything up. So let's do that next. All right, so we got all that apart. Unhook these, pull those off that and off there. Now we're just getting these 4 bolts now, like that, so we can get the whole body off. I want the whole thing off so I can clean it without getting any gunk into the system itself. Get it off. Boom, there it is. Oh wow, but the back is dirty though. Wow. Ooh wee. Okay, so it definitely needs clean. All right, so I finally got the throttle body out. All right. We're gonna go ahead and get this all cleaned up real good. That was hard to get that little plug off there though. That was crazy. Let's see. Other than that, it looks good. Alright, we're kind of getting this cleaned up. We're spraying it good. Wiping it down. All right, so we clean it up about as much as I can. I ran out of the solution, so we're just gonna go ahead and call it a day for today. Put this back on. I do got to get on the road and get to some plumbing jobs, so let's get this back on. I think we'll probably have some better results here. Let's put this back on. All right, slides and locks back on there. All right, let's get that new filter. I expect to have some definite improvement in power and gas mileage with this new filter. Top of the line filter here. Supposed to make it really kick even better. So this is a new mod I like. We'll see. One thing now is the MAF sensor. It looks like it's brand new in there, don't it? It's never been touched. Okay, this has got torque screws, so we're going to need my torque drivers. All right, so we put our torque driver in. We'll need that to get that out. Now we got to be real careful with these, not to bang them around. Pretty sensitive, I understand. Just pull it out very gently and have a look at this. Okay, so I guess it's these wires here. All right, so we're just gonna spray these wires right here. All righty, there it is. All right, we got that back in. He's back in where he belongs. All right. All right, let's get this attached now. Okay, lock this in. All right, back in you go. This goes on. Let's tie it back down. Tie it back down. All right. All right, let's plug the sensors back in. Plug in like that, and then you push the red tab to lock it. Same here. Push it down, locked in, click it in. All right, so everything's rolling good. It's back to its normal idle. We're all good to go on the throttle bottle cleaner, MAF sensor cleaner, and a new filter. Let's see if we get some more power out of this too.